Welcome back to Mini Bikes and More. We actually just got this Creality k1c, I believe what it is. We are doing our first print on it, and as you can see, this thing is actually pretty impressive. Setup on this, it says it can be set up in 3 minutes. That's not true. I mean, I'll be honest with you. If you've seen other reviews and they're like, 3 minutes you set up, no, it definitely takes a lot longer. At least to get to the internet set up and get everything where it needs to be and all the other good stuff. But the print quality of this thing is really impressive. I've had some other 3D printers. The speed is crazy on this. It's faster than any one I've had, but as you can see, the line's real tight, really good. Um, this is actually going to be a spark plug lamp, and the print time on this normally is about 6 to 7 hours for the regular version, the small version. On this printer, it's a little over 4 hours, so that's not bad at all. It cuts the print time by 2 hours, which is pretty darn good. The display, as you can see down here, it's easy to read. That's off the flash drive there, but just want to give you a little quick review on this thing. And as a first print, I'm very impressed with it. I'm hoping in the next day or so we can get the other, and that garage is a mess, I apologize, the other commercial printer going here in the next day. We got to hook it to the internet, but this thing, it's well lit, enclosed, everything works great so far. The cool thing is you got your spool of filament right out the back, easy to change out. You got a lid on top to access stuff, which makes it really easy too. So the only downside to this is the build volume is only 220 by 220 by 250. It's not something I really wish I had a bigger bed to print stuff on. But it does come with the mat that's easy to take off and clean. So just want to give you a quick review. I hope you guys enjoy it.